Yeah, actually, I remember them. Yeah.
Did you? Okay, pick up the pace just a little bit. All right. Turn left. I saw an owl right up in this tree right here, sitting on that crooked branch over there, and he kept turning his face so that I would take photos of from every angle. Tell you what, when you get to the bottom, go to the left, and when you get to a triangle, a trail junction, wait there, and I'll tell everybody else what I want them to do. When hiking, I encourage you, if you love the trails, to hike on the shoulders, not in the middle. Because
мы там ходили, да, Антош?
Да.
Из-за его парка.
pointing out the homeless encampment that you didn't see. And we think we got to have 3,000 square foot homes. This is Canyon Ridge Condominiums. You'll see right here from Natalia's point of view, a hole in the fence. That's a section of fence that's missing. We think, without telling us, without inviting us, we think they chose to take it out so they weren't going through a gate next to that condominium and around a sloppy grass, tracking it to find you.
Right. You have a broken leg. You can't.
A broken back.
Or two.
Broken. I gotta finish saying this at home today. Last year came in maybe with a machete and just passed ferns and were lying over the trail. Because their wolf might want to stand back a little bit.
Or something.
Нам надо домой идти.
Well,
It's an old fort.
If you guys want to stay there and look at it, we'll come in above the alder log there by a more gentle slope. This used to be my route. No, my route down used to be.
It's like a 55 Ford.
This used to be the route.
It's ready.
Okay, all of you keep on looking, keep your cameras focused that way so that I can get a picture of you. See, you're looking up that way.
Okay.
Because this is supposed to be.
Nice, Jack.
Yeah.
You okay? New house.
Can I come down?
Yeah.
Foot down.
Oh, that's cool.
Nice little armature here. Pitch or cut?
Cut.
Sorry
Clean
about
it up.
that. Well, boys are supposed to play in trees. I'm coming up on 70. I still climb trees.